back to our tutorials for the France Avenue tee. So today we are going to take a look at picking up stitches on the sleeve edge. Now this is interesting because this actually isn't worked in the round, we do it flat. So I am going to bring back my teeny tiny sweater that I made. So at this point, you're gonna have the shoulder seams completed with your 3 needle bind off. And you're going to pick up the edge of your sleeve to do your decorative edge. So as you look at your directions, you're gonna use your larger needle that you used for the stem and stitch on the hems. You're gonna use that, and of course your contrast yarn to pick up and knit your stitches. Now, you're gonna pick up 3 of every 4. That way you're not picking up too many stitches so that ruffles out too much, and you're not picking up too few that pulls it in too much. It's a nice balance, and it's also a good formula to use when you're picking up along a neck edge as well, because that's not a straight edge. It's a little tougher to pick up. So we'll start with something easy. So you're going to take your working needle and you're going to go into the first stitch, and you've got both legs over the needle. So you're going to take your working yarn and make a loop, and I always give myself a little length so that way I've got a tail to sew things up. So you're going to go in, and there you've picked up a stitch. So now you're going to go through the next leg. Make sure that you're working with your yarn, not your tail. This happens to the best of us. All right, and then we go into the next stitch. Once again, going under both legs. Okay, we're gonna skip a stitch because we've done 3. There's 4. And so you're gonna continue this way all the way across the sleeve. Until you make it all the way over to the other edge. Now the fun thing is, this will be your first row of the stem and stitch pattern. So then you can automatically jump into doing row 2 of that pattern. The other thing to keep in mind is as you're counting and you're picking up stitches, that you pick up an even number, because you know that your stem and stitch pattern is a multiple of 2 stitches. So as with picking up, if you've done it before or know someone who has, sometimes you have to fudge it a little bit to make sure you get your even number of stitches. But also, if it doesn't work out, just pull your needle, pull your yarn, and you can start over again. It's okay. You're learning something new. But yep, that is essentially how you're gonna pick up your stitches on the edge of your sleeve. And it's a great way to start to do this first instead of doing the neckline, which is a little more challenging. So hopefully you pick it up easily. And then the next time we get together, we are going to take a look at seaming, because you'll have your sleeves done, both of them. And then we can talk about seaming. And of course, you know, as I alluded to, we'll also talk about doing that neck edge.